I have a international 4600. Well, that's what it came for 700, but IDI 73. I got the thermostat out. I don't know if it's a question. Well, I'm going to put it like this. I don't care. But when you buy this freaking thermostat, it comes with a gasket around here. It seems like they use this gasket for something else, like for another truck, another brand or something. Because with the gasket, it doesn't go in, and it won't allow this piece right here to get flat. It won't let it to get flat on that. So I took it off, and it fits like 100% perfect right there. And I'm just gonna silicone this around it. I was looking at videos before I put it on to see if that was the right way. I saw some IDIs for the they put in the aftermarket one. I took the one that I took out a long ass time ago was square like this one, so that's why I'm putting this thing back in it. They got another one aftermarket, it's like freaking $2-3, super cheap. I think this one I paid like 19-20 bucks. I'm putting everything new on this truck little by little. For the water heater, I just put that in there, new fan clutch, new condenser, new heater coil, new hoses for the heater coil. I don't know, I was just making a video about this thermostat situation that I see there. There's not actually a video for the 4600. I did one with the IDI, but some stuff are different on the IDI 4. The, you have to take the bracket for the alternator and the AC compressor out, and once you get it out, then you reach to here, then you clean this shit. I never use the freaking gasket back. I always put silicone on both of them, let it get really sticky before I put it on, so it won't just squish out, and then I put everything back together. I don't know if it's helping anybody, but peace.